Hello children, we now come to the next chapter, ammonia. In class, when we had done chemical bonding, we had drawn the compound ammonia. Look at its structure once again. See here children, nitrogen shows 5 valence electrons. See, these dark ones are the electrons of nitrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sharing with 3 atoms of hydrogen. Can you see this lone pair here? Keep this in mind. This is very important to remember. Now we come to the lab preparation from ammonium chloride. First, tell me the formula of ammonium chloride. NH4Cl. When reacted with calcium hydroxide, CaOH whole twice. Ca with Cl gives you CaCl2, H2O and 2NH3. So this is your reaction, your reactants. So the reactants used here are ammonium chloride and calcium hydroxide. The reaction as shown here. Have a look at the diagram. You see here, this is a round bottom flask. You have the mixture of the reactants. The flask is kept tilted. There is a reason to it why. Then this is the drying tar where there is presence of quicklime, and this is how ammonia gas is collected. So when the reaction takes place, you can see water being produced. So if this flask was straight, water would have trickled down into the hot flask and this flask would have cracked. Hence, my flask is kept in a tilted position. Quicklime is used here. Tell me the formula of quicklime. CaO, it is calcium oxide. Both ammonia and quicklime are basic, so they will not react. How is ammonia gas collected? Ammonia is collected by downward displacement of air. Ammonia will go up and air will go downwards. Why? Because ammonia is lighter than air. It is not collected over water because it is highly soluble in water. Clear till here, children? I told you the flask is kept tilted. Here lies the answer. The water formed during the reaction does not trickle back into the hot flask, or else your flask will crack. Drying of ammonia. You have a drying tar which is packed with quicklime, CaO. Other drying agents like concentrated sulfuric acid, phosphorus pentoxide, P2O5, and anhydrous calcium chloride, CaCl2, are not used because ammonia is basic, it will react with them. Method of collection by downward displacement of air. Because ammonia is lighter than air, It is not collected over water because it is highly soluble in water. Next, a higher ratio by weight of alkali is used to counteract the loss by sublimation of ammonium chloride because ammonium chloride sublimes. Let me remind you what is sublimation. The process of conversion of a solid directly to gas. You have learned this in class 6, 7th. Calcium hydroxide is used because it is not deliquescent. What is deliquescence? The property of a substance to absorb moisture and dissolve in it, making a saturated solution. Two ammonium salts, NH4NO3, what is it? Ammonium nitrate, and NH4NO2. What is it? Ammonium nitrite. Will not produce ammonia on heating. Why? Because they are explosive in nature. They decompose according to the given two equations. NH4NO3 gives me N2O plus 2H2O. N2O is laughing gas or nitrous oxide. NH4NO2 gives me N2 plus 2H2O, nitrogen gas. This is the lab preparation of ammonia, children. Now what you will do? Only one page I have taught you. You will read this one page again thoroughly well. In your notebooks, write the date, name of the chapter and draw figure 9.1 for your today's work and write down this equation and learn it. Is it clear till here, children? Learn this equation and draw this figure. Thank you, children. Take care.